This landslide happened in the city of Bandipur in Nepal.
Low. Low, man. Low. Oh, man. Que voz tu? Man.
In the summer of 2024, a tornado formed right above a Russian airport. The damage was estimated to be at least $2.4 million.
Твою. Ужас.
And from the ground, it looked even more terrifying. Hail is a motorist's worst enemy. Each hailstone is a hit not only to the car, but also to the owner's wallet. Sub-zero temperatures are rare in Baku, Azerbaijan. On this day, local divers weren't ready for the ice. And of course, no one had... Even from this angle, this video gives us chills. We can't imagine what the people on the boats experienced.
We better get out of here.
When you think of destructive natural events, fog probably doesn't come to mind. But check this out. In New Orleans, fog caused a pileup on a bridge involving over 40 cars. 6 accidents in total. The cars were a mess, but luckily, no one got seriously hurt. Some people dedicate their lives to chasing tornadoes. In this video, an amateur storm chaser managed to capture the birth of a new tornado.